So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 72 plate. So I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. We have the fuel gauge on the far right. And then in the middle, you can see the digital readout for the speedometer, the total miles of this car, which are 4,719. And to the left of that, it will show you what gear this car is currently in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. You can change the layout of these dials. So you can have a speedometer there, for example, a rev counter. You can also change the information that's displayed within that central section. So for example, I could have my audio information in the center there. So fully customizable using the buttons just here. We have stereo controls beneath that, which continue on the left-hand side. We then have cruise control and speed limiter. This button just here, give that a push after you set the cruise control, and this car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front speed. And then over in the center, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So up on here, we're on the radio menu at the moment. You can see we've got DAB, FM, and internet radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do that by streaming it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. You can also set up your own playlists within the car, and they are all accessed either by the radio menu and then down in this bottom left-hand corner, or by the media menu and down in the bottom left-hand corner. Exactly the same options there. You can pair your phone under the phone heading, of course. Below that, we then have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction of the air. The air conditioning isn't on at the moment. That button turns it on. Same button again to turn it off. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set just here. We then have two USB-C inputs and the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. To the right-hand side of that, this button just here. So this vehicle has stop and start technology, meaning it's designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.